Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to fix the black screen issue in OBS Game Capture for Valorant. Let's get started. First, completely close both Valorant and OBS. Then, find your OBS shortcut, right-click it, and select Run as Administrator. Once OBS is open, check if screen capture is enabled. If it's not, enable it. If the screen capture still isn't working, it might be because you have RivaTuner running. Look for RivaTuner Statistics Server on your PC. Open it and wait a few seconds until it loads, usually on System 3. Then click on Setup. Scroll down until you see Use Microsoft Detours API hooking, and select that option. Step 3. Use Display Capture as a workaround. After adjusting those settings, close both the game and OBS again. Reopen OBS as administrator and see if the issue persists. If it still doesn't work, try using Display Capture instead of Game Capture. Click the plus icon in OBS, select Display Capture and choose your game window. And that's pretty much it. These steps should fix the black screen issue in OBS for Valorant. If this helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.